Hi, my name is James Beal, Managing Partner for NGS Films and Graphics, and today we're going to talk about a really cool product called Mirror Shield. Mirror Shield is this guy right here. This is essentially a product that we can use to relaminate damaged, scratched, etched, or corroded mirrors so they look brand new again. What's awesome about this product is anybody can install it. It's waterless, which means there's no professional installation required. You have a liner on the back, you put a piece of tape on there, you pull the liner off like so, and basically you touch, it doesn't feel tacky, and you can put it right on a smooth substrate. We're going to look at an installation here in a second, but I want to point out that this is a fantastic product for hospitality clients, transit, government, basically anywhere that has a lot of traffic or high traffic bathrooms or areas that have a lot of mirrors. This is a fantastic way to minimize your maintenance costs. You won't have to replace the mirror. You don't have to worry about taking a restroom out of operation while you replace a mirror. So there's a lot of fantastic opportunities for this product. Let's go check out an installation with Ryan. Okay, Ryan, what's happening? We're gonna start this installation. This is Ryan, and basically we're gonna go ahead and show you, here's the mirror, and what I wanna talk about here is the delamination, desilvering that you see that's very common in mirrors. So instead of trashing this mirror and buying a new mirror, we're gonna clean it and we're gonna resurface it. So with that being said, Ryan, go ahead and just spray the mirror and clean it. Now you can use spray-way cleaner and a soft, basically microfiber cloth. If you don't have that, you can spray it with a little soap and water and just basically a squeegee, a rubber-bladed squeegee to squeegee the excess debris or anything that's on the mirror that might cause the film to look rippled. And so Ryan's basically going to squeegee that and then just basically bump off what we call bump off any excess water with a paper towel so that there's no excess water on the mirror. Here's the panel on the ground. I'll give Ryan a hand here. This is the liner side. So now we're going to pull the liner off. Okay. Take your finger and let's just make sure it's in the very corner, like that, and we should just let it relax. Let's just see, like that. There you go. Squeegee it out. Yep. And we just squeegee, put a center strip in there, and then from left to right. So essentially you want to keep the card at an angle to stop the bubbles from going over top of the card on the soft edge. Now we're just going to take your squeegee and spray bottle and just go ahead and just clean off the surface. You just want to re-squeegee just to clean any smudge marks from your hands from handling it, or you can use the spray-way glass cleaner as we discussed earlier. Okay, so after the installation is complete, if you have any smudges or residual fingerprints, you can take a microfiber cloth like so, and just wipe the panel down, and voila, just like that, you have a brand spanking new mirror. Contact the pros at NGS to find out how we can reduce your facility's maintenance costs and keep your mirrors looking brand new for a fraction of the cost. Thank you and have a great day.